In this video, we are going to show you and explain to you how to change the address on your provisional driving license if you are in the UK or United Kingdom. So you need to go to gov.uk, and here you want to type in driver's license, right? So renew driver's license, provisional driver's license. So better yet, change, right? Address and driving license. So once you have this, so change the address on your driving license. All you need to do is click on apply online, right? So here you can do so whether you have a full driving license or you have a provisional one. So it's the same thing, right? So all we need to do is, again, make sure that you tell DVLA that you are changing your address, because if not, if you get pulled over, you might be fined £1,000, right? So before you start, you need your driving license and all of these information, and click start now, right? Once you click start now, you just need to follow the instructions. So continue on this device or exits and sign out your account, right? So continue on this device. So keep following these instructions and make sure that you, if you're going to fill in something, you're going to enter something, make sure that it is complete, double check, triple check, and you'll be able to change your driver's license through this website. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.